Hi friends, welcome. So glad to see you here. In this video I want to share with you a couple of unboxings, recent orders that I placed on Beautylish and with Sisley-Paris. With Beautylish, it was because of the gift card event. I got some things and then I got some things after that and then I have an order from Sisley-Paris that I want to share with you. I love watching unboxings, so I hope you enjoy this video as well. So let's start with the Beautylish one first, because I threw away that box already, but let me show you part of it. I already have it on, but let me show you first what I got with the gift card event. I wanted to try this hand soap from Susan Kaufman. I have her I forgot the official name, but it's like the hand exfoliator and the hand cream. I have it in the bathroom. It's really good with dry hands and it leaves my hands really soft, really supple. I use it like once a week. I do that. I also have a body cream which I have next to my bed in my bedstand, and that is what I use. Some nights I use it mostly on my legs, but I wanted to try the hand soap. So this is what it looks like. It is 8.5 fluid ounce. It is refillable. This is glass. It is refillable. Now, is this the refill or this? I think this is the bottle. And then it also comes, you could also buy the refill separately. It's very simple looking, but it is really nice to have it in the bathroom sink. I have a little bit left of my current soap and I'm waiting for it to finish so I could use this. So let's open this up and smell it. I haven't smelled it yet. I was waiting for this video. It smells very light. A little bit at first like bananas, but then it's like a little bit more just a cleaner, very lightly citrusy. But what I smell is bananas actually. It says a hand soap combines gentle cleansing with nourishing moisturizing ingredients. It has germ oil, aloe vera, and other active ingredients like horsetail plant. I don't see any banana, but that's the smell that I get. The fragrance that I get is wheat germ oil and aloe powder. It's in coconut acid. This is what I'm reading. Glycerin, and it has water and other things. But it smells good. So it's very light, very subtle, very clean fragrance. And I like the bottle. Very slick. I picked up a brow gel from Tom Ford because I hear Michelle Wong talk about it all the time, and it was on sale briefly. It was out of stock and it came back, and it keeps on coming in and back out of stock in different retailers, but I'm not sure if Beautylish still has it. If it has, I'll put the link down below. If I find it in another retailer, then I'll put it down below as well. This is a fiber brow gel. It has about 4 shades, I believe. I got the shade Granite. I didn't want to get it too dark because my eyebrows are dark brown and I don't want it to be like completely black, so I got a color that was a little bit lighter. And this is what the packaging looks like. Typical Tom Ford, which I love. I love this packaging. And let's open it up to see what it looks like. A small wand. I think it's a perfect size. And I will definitely use it in a future video. I will definitely use it in a future video and let you guys know what I think. Very exciting to try that. I picked up a couple of brushes from Sonia G. I've been using the foundation brush, Sonia G's foundation brush, as a brush to apply my blush. So I decided to try the actual blush applicator, the Cheek Pro. I love her brushes. They're so soft. And then this is the Blender Pro. This is a backup of one that I already have, the Blender Pro, which I love. I used it today in this look. So this is what the brushes look like. Very exciting. You cannot go wrong with brushes. You cannot have too many brushes. Oops. You cannot have too many brushes, especially when they're so good like Sonia G. And speaking of Sonia G, the last item I got from the Beautylish card event is a towel, a drying towel, a cleaning towel. She had 2 models, 2 different fabrics, but I got this one. I'm going to take off the label. These are towels to clean and dry your makeup brushes. So I got this, and it's so pretty. Like, I'm afraid to using I'm afraid of dirtying it, but I will use it eventually, of course. So that's what I got with the Beautylish card event. Now with I got a total of $40 gift card. So what I did is I waited for something that something new that would come out in the future. I wasn't aware that Wayne Goss was going to come out with new products, so that's what I bought with the $40 gift card. And I have it on today. I did a separate video on that, and I'm going to leave the link of that video at the end so you guys could check it out. I got the three cream foundations, shade 7, 11, and 12 to apply foundation, contour, and concealer. And I also picked up the new powder, the Weightless Powder. I'm not going to talk a lot about it or show you the swatching or all of that, because I did do that on the video that I did before this one. So check that video out if you're interested to know what I think about the products. It is a full day wear test. That's what I plan to do. So you will see in a pinned comment what I think about these products. So the next thing I want to show you, the next order I want to show you is from Sisley-Paris. They had a family and friends sale, which was awesome, and I placed 2 orders, one with my associate, the Vegas boutique, and I placed an order online as well because I wanted to get a couple more items. So let me show you what I got. I got rid of one of the boxes and I put it all together, and this is what the box looks like. They have, in my opinion, one of the most beautiful boxes. I love their boxes. Dior too. Dior and Sisley-Paris are the companies that, and Chanel, but they're all like beautiful packaging. And with, not only there were items on sale, there was also a gift with purchase, which is very exciting because their gift with purchases are amazing. They gave a lot of samples, really nice samples and really nice sizes. And the samples, I've got samples from the previous order. I'm putting them together and keep them separate because I want to take them to my next trip. When I fly, I try to do carry-on. I don't like to check in any luggage. We go carry-on. So I want to take samples so I don't, you know, I don't want to have more than 3 ounces, liquid 3 ounces. So I take all my samples to my trips. So let me show you first what I ordered, and then I'll show you the gifts. I also got some samples from my friend, my sales associate, so that was nice. I'll show you what I got from her first. I ordered a backup of the Sisley-Paris Feeder Blanc Le Cushion Pure Bright Cushion Foundation. If you've seen my videos before and you see me on Instagram, you know that I just love this foundation, this cushion foundation. It is amazing. It's my favorite product so far of the year, and I just love it. I'm not gonna open it because it's brand new. It is a backup. It is pricey, and I don't mean it in a negative way because I think it's worth every single penny, but because it is kind of pricey, then I like to get it when it's on sale. So that's a backup of the foundation. Okay, and then that's what I ordered with her, and then she gave me, I think I ordered something else with her. Oh, I think, yeah, I ordered another Fetal Rouge Shine Sheer Color and Hydration, another shade. I got shade number 11, which is Sheer Blossom. I got 2 lipsticks with her last time, so I wanted to get another shade. These lipsticks are really amazing. They're really nice. The packaging is really pretty. It's gorgeous. And the lipsticks are just beautiful. I'm not going to swatch them or anything because I'll use them in a future video. Maybe I'll swatch it on my hand because I already have lipstick on. This is what the bullet looks like. They're so nice. So hydrating. They're like a lip balm, but not as sheer as a lip balm, because what I have on now is a lip balm as well, and the one from Sisley-Paris is a little bit more what's the word I'm looking for? It's a little bit more pigmented, a little bit thicker. So it's between a balm and a, well, they call it a lipstick, but for me it's like between a lipstick and a balm. So this is what I got from my friend, my sales associate, Leanne, and she gave me for free as a gift. She gave me a Sisley-Paris sponge. I didn't know they have sponges, so she gave me a makeup sponge, and she got me a bunch of samples. She got me the all day, all year essential anti-aging day care. The Sisleya Integra Anti-Age Day and Night. I have used this product before in a sample. This is so nice. The Sisley-Paris skincare is high-end, but it's amazing. It's so good on the skin. That one and the Chantecaille are like my favorite skincare brands at the moment. So is Retrouvé, but they're like up there. I love all 3. Alright, next is another sample of the is the eye contour mask that reduces fine lines and puffiness. I definitely need that. And the eye and makeup gel makeup remover. I already have a sample of this, which I haven't used it. I'm going to take it for my trip for sure. And then she gave me 3, oh no, 2. Oh, they're all different. They look the same, but they're all different. The eye and lip contour cream. I definitely need that because I'm getting little fine lines around my lips. The essential skincare lotion and the firming concentrated serum. I love samples because 1, you get to try it before you commit to the full size. 2nd, they're perfect for traveling. And 3rd, if you get a lot of samples, then you don't need to buy the full size product. But there are some items that I have tried the samples and I've loved it so much, and I bought a full size. So that's one item I got in the following order. The order I did directly with the website. I got a full size of the double tensor instant and long term. A lifting skincare with botanical extracts, which is effective both immediately and in the long term. Instant tightening and in-depth straightening of the skin's firming capacity. Oh, I remember what it, because when I was looking at it, I was like, did I order this? I don't remember it because I know I had something else. This is a primer. This is used as a primer, but I don't remember. I thought it was called a primer. Maybe I ordered the wrong thing. Maybe this is, the bottle looks the same. My friend Liz from Chicago Law is always talking about the Sisley-Paris primer, and that's what I thought I ordered. Maybe this is what it is, but it's just called something else. Next, I ordered I ordered a mascara. I thought I had a Sisley-Paris, or I do have a Sisley-Paris mascara, but it just went out on me. It's, you know, it passed its time. So here is the mascara. I haven't tried the other mascaras I have, and I've heard that they're not as good as this one. This one is amazing. It's one of my favorite mascaras. Really, really nice. I'm not gonna open it because I'm not gonna use it just yet, and I don't want to go bad on me again or as well. Next thing I ordered from them was the Instant Radiance Booster Pen. So this is like a concealer. I got the shade Pearly Rose. Their packaging is like, I love their packaging. So this I could open. This shelf life is it's 6 months. So maybe I shouldn't open it. So it's like a concealer stick. A concealer. Very excited to try that. And I ordered a longwear liquid. Oh, I'm sorry. I retract. This I got in Beautylish as well. With the order with the Wayne Goss. I just put it in here because it was also Sisley-Paris. I ordered this from Beautylish. The Longwear Liquid Eyeshadow Shade 2, which is Copper. This just came out very recently. So I ordered it with Beautylish. It's like a champagne color. This I could swatch. This usually lasts longer. So I had bad experience with the Chanel one. But the ones from Natasha Denona, and there was another brand that I used that I liked, and I had a good experience. But with the Dior one, with the Chanel one, I didn't have a good experience. This is a Sisley-Paris one. It's a beautiful champagne color. You could I could wear it all over the lid by itself, or I could wear it combined with another shade. I'm gonna see how it is, and if I like it. It dries up really nice, fast, which I like. That's the problem I had with the Chanel one, that it wouldn't dry up. This one, it dries up really fast. Look, it's already dry. And it's been, what, 10 seconds, maybe less? Perfect. I am really confident about this one. And so I'm going to see if I like it. If I like it the way it looks on me, then I'll probably get more shades. And then finally, from Sisley-Paris, I got a Sun Glow Bronzing Gel Powder. I haven't tried their bronzer, and again, Liz is always talking about it. She talks about it often, and I see her wearing it and wear it time and time, and never hits pan. So I'm very excited and curious to try it myself. I love the packaging. Again, part of the luxury brand experience is the packaging, so that's very important to me. Not only that the product is good, but the packaging is beautiful. So this is what it looks like inside. It does have a plastic cover, which I'm going to take off. Look at that, how beautiful. I think it's going to be really nice on me. It's like a sun. Very nice. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to use it really soon in a future video. Alright, and then with gift with purchase, I got 2 gifts. Okay, a sample of the instant and long term, that full size that I got. Here is a I think it's a primer. Sample of the primer. Also the anti-aging hydrating booster. That sounds amazing. I need hydration for sure. And the eye and makeup and gel makeup remover. I got another one, so I got a bunch. Perfect for my travels. Bunch of samples. I love samples. And then gift with precious. This is samples, but they're a little bit bigger. The one I got last time was amazing, so this one is amazing too. It's from the Sisley line. Look at the bag, how pretty. Isn't that beautiful? It is so pretty. And then the little, what's this called, the zipper here, it is the orchid, the brand, the label, the symbol of the SisleyParis brand. Right, and then there's a bunch of samples, and they're luxury size. So let's start with this one that is not in a box. This is the gentle makeup remover. I got another one of these in the bathroom, so this I'll take on my trip for sure. This one I'm gonna use it for my face, and the other one I'm gonna use it for my eyes. Then I have the La Cure from Sisley. Everything I tried from the Sisley line is really, really nice, amazing. It's really, really nice. Then I have the Day and Night Anti-Age. More samples of, okay, the eye concealer with botanical extracts. I have a intensive contouring care cream, and another eye and lip contour cream, and a sample of a perfume, the Isia La Nuit. I have tried this perfume before. It's a little bit strong for me, but it's not bad. I like it, but it's like a nighttime. Well, it's called Isia La Nuit. It's a nighttime perfume. So nice. I think that's all. That's all I got from SisleyParis and Beautylish. And I wanted to do it like in a separate dedicated video because I love unboxings. I love to see them. And I hope you enjoy it as well. Let me know in the comments below if you tried any of these products. I'm curious to know. Any questions or comments, please leave them down below as well. I'm going to leave links of everything that I mentioned today, if I find them, of course, because some of them might be out of stock. If I find everything that I find, I'm going to put down below in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know also in the comments something else you guys could let me know if you enjoy this type of content, if you like to see my unboxings, and what kind of videos would you like me to do more in the future. So I want to thank you guys for coming over. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.